Music Online UK.
Allegro from James Hook's Sonatina in F is an excellent opportunity for you to demonstrate your agility and speed. But as with all fast pieces, you need to start by practicing slowly. And one of the best methods I have found of doing this is by using a metronome. Now you could take the suggested tempo, crotchet equals 88, as your quaver pulse, not crotchet pulse, something like this. Etc. But as you're learning it slowly, you need to not only just learn the notes, but learn all the smaller details, such as the slurs, the dynamics, where notes should be separated, etc. This is all part of the muscle memory that you need to develop in order to be able to play the piece faster later. Now, regarding the dynamics and the articulation, it should be noted that these are editorial suggestions only, but the ABRSM book provides some good ideas which you might like to follow and which were used in the performance video you just heard. If you do choose to follow these suggestions, then the following points should be noted. First of all, the left hand should use separated quavers, lightly detached, all right, not smooth. And when the right hand joins in, make sure that they stay detached. Don't sometimes slur the left hand quavers when the right hand has a slur, as for example here. You notice there I slurred the first two left hand quavers instead of detaching them? That would be incorrect. It should be. And the next bar the same. And then in the third bar we get to a crotchet, which should be held pretty much for its full length. Okay, notice that long left hand crotchet. And that is typically how you should articulate music of this period. Now, regarding the dynamics, which are also editorial suggestions only, and you can be free to experiment with other dynamics, one thing you should make sure of is that your dynamics are terraced or stepped. They change degrees suddenly. There are no gradual crescendi or decrescendi. That is also typical of this period of music. And particularly notice in bars 9 to 12 how the dynamic changes are a quaver before the bar line. That is because the phrases start to quaver before the bar line. So in bar 9 we have notice how the changes in dynamics were one quaver before the bar line. Make sure that your changes match exactly where the phrases start and finish. And those are a few tips on how you can get the best possible mark when playing Allegro from James Hook's Sonatina in F. Thanks for watching.